welcome all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, in previous video we learned about transportation system. In that you all learned about roadways and railways in detail, and the last topic was left for that day, that was airways and waterways. In this video we are going to learn this airways and waterways of transport, airways and waterways of transport in detail. And this video is going to be important for the following examination, which includes NDA, CDS, AFCAT, SSC, UPSC. Actually we have started a new series, and that series name is Pathfinder series. And in this Pathfinder series we have pledged that we will complete the entire Pathfinder till your examination comes. So any of you are preparing for NDA 2 2021, then this Pathfinder series which we have started, it will be very much important for all of you, because this Pathfinder book was recommended by the NDA topper. The guy who topped NDA 1 2020 examination, his name was Ronit Ranjan Nayak from Odisha. Ronit Ranjan Nayak from Odisha has recommended this Pathfinder book to all the aspirants in his interview to one of the media channels. He told that for his GAT preparation he studied only Pathfinder for GAT preparation. For preparation of general studies portion he studied only from Pathfinder, and maximum question came from Pathfinder only. And in written exam he scored highest mark of 580 mark. I have already made videos on strategy, how to score 600 marks in NDA, and what are the books which are most important for NDA preparation. So please go and see that video also. If you have any doubt regarding the books, what books you should prefer to read for GAT and for MAT separately, because that video has got maximum views and many of them has given good feedback about that video, so it can be important for you also. So to start with our topic, airways. First point about airways, I'll tell you only the important point. Actually in this Pathfinder lot of points are given, but everything is not important. The important points I'll emphasize more on that one. So the first point is JRD Tata was the first person to take a solo flight from Mumbai to Karachi in 1931 through airways. If they ask in India who was the first person to take a solo flight in India, then that person name was JRD Tata. JRD Tata full name is Jamshedji Tata. All of you know about the Tata company, Tisco company, TISCO. Please comment in the comment section that when this Tisco company was formed, and it is the headquarter of Tisco company is in which place. So your homework question is when this Tisco company was formed and where is its headquarter. So JRD Tata was the first person to take a solo flight from Mumbai to Karachi. This place also you have to remember, in the year 1931. Next point is in 1935 Tata Airlines started its operation between Mumbai and Thiruvananthapuram. In 1937 between Mumbai and Delhi. This point is not a point from India point of view, just for your knowledge purpose you can remember that Tata Airlines started its airways operation between Mumbai and Thiruvananthapuram and Mumbai and Delhi. Actually this point is not important from your NDA point of view. Next point is in 1953 all the private airline companies were nationalized and Indian Airlines and Air India came into existence. So when this Indian Airline and Air India, all of you have at least listened the name of this Air India, all of you would have heard the name of Air India Jet and Indian Airline. These both companies are the air companies of government of India, but now it has been sold to the private company. Now this both Air India and Indian Airline has been privatized, and this both company was formed in the year 1953. So this you have to remember. Why I am telling you the important points, like this is important, this is important, this is not important, because I myself has analyzed previous 14 years question paper of NDA series. And with that question paper analysis, I am telling you that these 2 points are important and the second one is not important. Next point is that Vayudut Limited started in 1981 as a private air carrier and later on it merged with Indian Airline. This point is not important, just for your knowledge purpose you can remember it. Next point is International Airport Authority of India and National Airport Authority were merged in 1995 from Airport Authority of India. The authority managed the Civil Aviation Training College at Allahabad and National Institute of Aviation Management Research at Delhi. Here the important thing you have to note down that International Airport Authority of India and National Airport Authority got merged. In which year it got merged? In 1995. This International Airport Authority and National Airport Authority both got merged in the year 1995. So this point is important. Only this till 1995 it is important. Moving over to the next point, here you are given a set of international airports which are situated in our country. So you should know about the various international airports. The entire list, whatever it is given here, everything has got maximum important. How question will come in exam, I'll tell you in detail. Like they may give you a set of international airport in your NDA exam. Like they may give you first option as Begumbat Airport, second option Calicut Airport, third as Chhatrapati Shivaji, and fourth HAL Airport. And they will ask you to arrange these airports from north direction to south direction. Then for that, knowing the place, in which place it is situated, is very much important. So these airport in India, the international airport in India has got maximum important. So now I'll tell you the international airport in India and in which city it is situated. So first international airport is Begumpet Airport, which is situated in Hyderabad. Second one is Calicut International Airport, which is situated in Calicut. Third one is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, which is in Mumbai. You can remember this Chhatrapati Shivaji with the name that there is Mumbai CST railway station also, that is Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus railway station. So Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport as well as Chhatrapati Shivaji railway station, both is in Mumbai only. So in this way you can remember this Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. And this is very simple because Calicut International Airport already place name is mentioned, so you can remember it easily. It is in Calicut. Next is HAL International Airport. HAL is the name of international airport which is situated in Bengaluru. HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. What is the full form of HAL? Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So where is the airport HAL International Airport located? It is in the place of Bengaluru. Next set of international airports are Goa Airport in Vasco da Gama city. Actually there is a city in Goa that is called Vasco da Gama city. In this Vasco da Gama city there is one international airport that is situated in state of Goa, and that international airport is called Vasco da Gama International Airport, otherwise Goa Airport. Goa Airport, it is situated in Goa. With this place name itself you can come to know about its location. Next point is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. It is in Kolkata. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, if they are asking, you have to take the option Kolkata. Otherwise, in arrangement type of question also it is possible that arrange the international airport from north to south, as I mentioned earlier, or arrange the international airport from east to west. In this way, they may ask you to arrange a set of international airport in the examination. Next thing is Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport. It is situated in state of Assam in the region of Guwahati. So Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport is situated in Guwahati. Next one is Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad. There is one shortcut to remember. Just now the tallest statue in the world, Statue of Unity, where this statue of unity is situated? It is situated in Gujarat, Ahmedabad only. So in the same way you can remember this Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad. You just remember this Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with the statue of unity and tick the option Ahmedabad. So this is very simple. Next thing is Indira Gandhi International Airport. It is in New Delhi. A trick to remember. Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. So she was Prime Minister. Where is the Prime Minister office located? It is located in New Delhi. So in this way you can remember. Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister of India. Where is the Prime Minister office? It is in New Delhi. So in this way you can remember. Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. Next airport is Chennai International Airport. Already here place name is mentioned, Chennai International Airport. So you can tick it as Chennai only. There is another name of this Chennai airport, like they will give you Meena Bakkam International Airport. Meena Bakkam International Airport. This Meena Bakkam International Airport is the new name of Chennai International Airport. It is situated in Chennai. There is another airport in Chennai that is called Anna International Airport. Anna International Airport. It is again situated in Chennai. So in Chennai there are two airports. One is Meena Bakkam International Airport and second one is Anna International Airport. Next airport is Raja Sansi International Airport. Raja Sansi International Airport. It is in Amritsar. Raja Sansi International Airport. It is in Amritsar. Next international airport is Cochin International Airport. Already place is mentioned here, that Cochin International Airport. So it will be in state of Kerala, place Cochin. Then Coimbatore International Airport. Already place is mentioned, Coimbatore International Airport. It will be in place of Coimbatore only, in state of Tamil Nadu. You should also know that where this Coimbatore and Cochin is situated. Like Coimbatore is situated in Tamil Nadu and Cochin in Kerala. Next thing is Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. It is in Banaras, Uttar Pradesh. Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. It is in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. There is another international airport in Uttar Pradesh, but that international airport, it is in the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, that is Lucknow, and name of the international airport is Chaudhary Charan Singh Airport. So in UP you have got two international airport. First one is Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. It is in Varanasi, and Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport. It is in Lucknow. And the last international airport is Ambedkar International Airport, which is in Nagpur. Up there is one shortcut to remember this Ambedkar International Airport. You know that this Ambedkar was from Maharashtra only. So Nagpur is also situated in Maharashtra only. So both are situated in Maharashtra. So in this way, Ambedkar International Airport is in Nagpur, which is situated in the state of Maharashtra. I think till now all of you have got a clear-cut idea in your mind about international airport, where that airport is situated. So it is believed that in NDA 2 2021, any one question will come from either airport or waterways, either airways or waterways. So you must be very much thorough in both the airways and waterways medium of transport. Next, after completing the airways, we are moving over to the waterways transport system, and this waterways transport system is again very much important for your examination. Actually here you are given so many sets of waterways, but I'll tell you only the important sets which you have to remember. So here we are going to study the major waterways in our country. You must remember National Waterway 1 and National Waterway 2. This is NWN 1 and NW 2. So these two are must important, very much important, because if in previous year question also from National Waterway 1 and 2 only question have come, because these two waterways are situated on Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Ganga river is the longest river in India, and Brahmaputra is the second largest river in India. And this Brahmaputra is also one of the largest river in the world. Actually the source of Brahmaputra river, it is in Tibet. That is why it is considered as the one of the largest river in the entire world. Next point is, you must know about National Waterway 1. It is between Allahabad and Haldia, and distance is around 1629 km on the river Ganga. Next is National Waterway 2, Sadia to Dubri. It is on the river Brahmaputra. So today you learned about two waterways, that is National Waterway 1, Allahabad Haldia, 2, Sadia Dubri. So how you can remember this? You just remember 1 Allahabad Haldia, 2 Sadia Dubri. Sadia Dubri, Allahabad Haldia. 1 means Allahabad Haldia, 2 means Sadia Dubri along Brahmaputra river. This Sadia is a place in Arunachal Pradesh and Dubri is a place in Bangladesh, and Allahabad is a place in UP and Haldia is a place in West Bengal. So I think all of you have got a clear cut idea, but for your knowledge purpose I'll read out all the waterways which are mentioned, but chances are there that question can come from these also, but till now question has come from these two only. But for knowledge purpose and future purpose, please read this also. Kottayam Kollam waterway along the Champaka river of Udamangalam canal. Next thing is Baralacham to Rajamundry Vijayawada waterways. This is waterway 4 along Godavari and Krishna river. Similarly, National Waterway 5 and National Waterway 6, you can take this screenshot, or if you want the PDF of this Pathfinder book, you can join the Telegram link which is given in the description box. Moving over to the next topic. Next topic is the ports. This ports in India is coming under waterways only. So we will study about the important ports. What is the importance of port? Again, from this port topic also, how question will be coming? It will come based on rearrangement type only. So important point about port is that the Waterway Authority of India divided Indian port into 3 categories, that is major port, minor port and intermediate port. So these ports are divided into 3 categories with the Waterways Authority of India. This Waterway Authority of India has divided the port into 3 categories: major, minor and intermediate. India has got 190 ports in total, but it has got only 13 major ports. Out of this 119 port, 13 are major port and with rest are intermediate ports and minor ports. Just now you learned that ports are divided into 3 categories: major, minor and intermediate. So 13 are major and rest out of 190 are minor and intermediate. All of you got about port. Now we will study about important ports and what is the specification of that port. So this side the port port name is given, and this side the important fact about that port is given. So first one is Kolkata port, and this Kolkata port is situated along the eastern coast of India. We will study some ports now in this list which are situated on the eastern coast of India. So Kolkata port, it is the oldest port in our country, India, riverine port having 2 dock system. So if they ask you which of the following port has got 2 dock system, then answer is Kolkata. Next port is Paradip port. Paradip port is situated in the state of Odisha. This Paradip port, it handles iron ore and some amount of coal and dry cargo. That means transportation and trade of this iron ore, coal and dry cargo takes place from Paradip port, which is situated in the state of Odisha. Next port is Chennai port. Chennai port is all-weather port having deep drafted berth, oil jetties, iron ore terminals. This Chennai port is functioning in all the weather, be it colder season, be it hot season or be it the rainy season. So in every season all weather port is Chennai port. So if in exam question comes which of the following is all weather port, then answer will be Chennai port. Next port is Visakhapatnam port. It is a sea port and well known for its outstanding. Means this port is well known for its outstanding infrastructure, and most of the trade activities, maximum number of trade activities are taking place from Visakhapatnam port only. It serves the Bhilai and Rourkela steel plant. So the steels which are manufactured in Bhilai and Rourkela steel plant, they are transported to other country and trading, and the trade is done with other country through this Visakhapatnam port only. Next port is Thoothukudi port. Thoothukudi port is situated in Tamil Nadu. It is artificial deep harbor port, all weather port, and weekly container service to USA. So here if we want to do trade with USA, then this port is used. Next is Ennore port, first corporatized major port of India. This Ennore is first corporatized major port of India. So now we will study about the ports which are situated on the western coastal plains of our country. First one is Mumbai port, then we have Kandla, Marmagao, New Mangalore, Cochin, Jawaharlal Nehru. So Mumbai port, it handles maximum traffic. Mumbai port is considered as the busiest port in our country. This is an important point. Mumbai port is considered as the busiest port in our country. Then Kandla port, it is situated in the state of Gujarat. It is tidal port. So if in question comes which of the following is a tidal port, then Kandla port, which is in Gujarat, it is situated in the state of Gujarat. It is tidal port, and these things take place like crude oil, petroleum, edible oil, and food grains. Trading is taking place from Kandla port only. Next port is Marmagao port. Marmagao port, it is in state of Goa, and here it handles iron ore, and it is a kind of naval base. So here this Marmagao port has also got Indian Navy, one of the base of Indian Navy. How you can remember this port? Last three letter of this word is Gao. So Goa and Gao is slightly similar, so you can remember in this way. Marmagao, Goa. Next is New Mangalore port. It is situated in the state of Karnataka. It is again all weather port. Next port is Cochin port, which is situated in Wellington Island. Cochin port, it is in the state of Kerala, and the island name where it is situated, it is called Wellington Island. And the last port for the day is Jawaharlal Nehru port, which is also called Nahava Seva. So if in question comes which of the following port is also called Nahava Seva port, so that port is Jawaharlal Nehru port. Now we will study about some facts, some important facts regarding these ports. So first fact is, and these four facts are very much important, very important question, because from this one already question has appeared in NDA 1 2020 examination. Question was that which of the following is a tidal port? Option number A, Mumbai port. Option number B, Kandla port. Option number C, New Mangalore. Option number 4, Cochin port. Then your answer will be Kandla port. Just now you studied that Kandla port is a tidal port. So largest port in our country is Jawaharlal Nehru port. It is situated in the Mumbai. The largest natural port, it is in Visakhapatnam. Largest port, if they ask, then it is in Mumbai, and largest natural port, it is in Visakhapatnam. Largest port Mumbai, largest natural port Visakhapatnam. Next thing is Kandla port, which is a tidal port. This you have to remember that which of the following is a tidal port, because it is a repeated question of NDA. Even in NDA 2 2021, chances are there that at least one question can come out of these four facts. Kandla is a tidal port in Gujarat. It has been made into free trade zone. Next port is New Mangalore port, which is a gateway to Karnataka. So which of the following is called gateway to Karnataka? You have to tick New Mangalore port. Next is Mumbai port. Mumbai port is situated in Mumbai only. It is the busiest port of our country. Just now I told you here also that Mumbai port, this port handles maximum traffic. So if it is handling maximum traffic, it is the busiest port. And Kandla port is a tidal port, and Jawaharlal Nehru port is the largest port, and Visakhapatnam port is the largest natural port. So I hope in this video all of you have got clear-cut idea about waterways and airways, and it is believed that at least one question will come from today's class for NDA 2 2021. It is your short question. So if you have any of your friends preparing for this examination, you can share this video for with them also. Complete NDA Pathfinder we are covering in free of cost. And if you want the PDF of this complete Pathfinder book, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in description box. So once again, I thank you friends for tuning till the end. Jai Hind.